Hey, it's Maria with Wealth Creation, where we talk about wealth, passive income, active income, and how to get you from where you are today to where you want to be. So, I want to talk about emergency funds. I've talked about this before, but I just wanted to share with you how I deal with emergency expenses. So, I have an emergency fund in a savings account. And it's one of those higher yield banks, which still isn't that much. But I want those funds to be liquid, to be able to get to them quickly if I need them. But if I have an emergency expense, I don't use that money to pay for the emergency expense. I use a cashback credit card. And the reason that I use a cashback credit card is because I get cash back. And if I'm getting, let's say I have a $5,000 expense, like a huge expense, right? If I'm getting 2% back on that, that's $100, $75 if it's 1.5%. And so it's a little bit of money back. And then when I get the bill and the bill is due, then I take my money from my bank account and I pay off that card. So I'm kind of maximizing a little bit of savings. Not a lot, but it is a little bit extra. And it also keeps my credit score higher because I'm utilizing that card. It's such a game, the credit score game. But I just wanted to let you know that that's what I do. I have an emergency fund. I use it if I need it, but I take the extra step of using a cashback credit card to pay for whatever it is so I can get that little bit of extra money back. And it does add up over the course of a year. So that's it. I just wanted to share that little tip that I have. You have a great day, and here's to our success.